Hello, I'm Belly Gully, and in this video we will learn about generative AI and how it works. Okay, this module focuses on generative AI, exploring its tools, functionalities, and integration into AI solutions. We will learn about creating a generative AI project on Google Cloud using Gemini multimodal with Vertex AI Studio, prompt design, model tuning, and accessing models through Model Garden, culminating in a hands-on lab with Vertex AI Studio. Okay, so today we'll progress into the generative AI module, and this time we will learn what generative AI is and what are its applications, explaining how it creates various types of content and enhances tasks across different fields. It describes the use of Google's foundation models like Gemini, Cody, and Imagen, and explains how Vertex AI Studio and Model Garden on Google Cloud can be used to develop and customize Gen AI projects efficiently. You will also delve into model tuning for generative AI, demonstrating how to enhance model responses beyond prompt design using Vertex AI Studio. Once again, you will also delve into model tuning for generative AI, demonstrating how to enhance model responses beyond prompt design using Vertex AI Studio. It explains various tuning methods, including prompt design, adapter tuning, reinforcement tuning, and distillation, highlighting how these techniques can customize models with minimal data and computational resources. AI Solutions Script introduces Vertex AI Studio and Model Garden for developing generative AI projects and explains how generative AI enhances both vertical and horizontal AI solutions. It highlights improvements in customer service and operational efficiency through tools like Contact Center AI, which uses virtual agents, agent assist, and insights to handle customer interactions. For more for more details, read along the scripts in the video that you get for free on this channel. Okay, and for the end of this module, that is generative AI, let's finish that with a quiz. And in this quiz we have, as you can see, 7 questions, if I'm right. Yes. And now let's try to finish it with a top result. So for the first question of the how does generative AI generate new content, let's read the answers. It's programmed based on predetermined algorithms that cannot be altered. B. The training leads to a foundation model that cannot be further tuned with a new dataset. C. It's a random process. D. It learns from a massive amount of existing content and can then be used to solve general problems or be further tuned to solve specific problems. The option D is correct in this case. So next, let's read the question. Okay, so which of the following is a type of prompt that allows a large language model to perform a task with only a small number of examples? So if I'm sure, it would be the few shot prompt. And then next question, what is a prompt? If I'm correct, a prompt is the natural language request or instruction to guide a model to generate a desired output, and that's what I have written in what I have read in the answer C. So let's choose it right now. And now move on to the next question. What are the two categories of AI solutions provided by Google Cloud? I'm pretty sure these are the vertical solutions which focus on specific industries and horizontal solutions which solve problems across industries. So the option C once again. Okay, next question. What is Vertex AI Studio? The Vertex AI Studio is a tool that lets you quickly test and customize generative AI models so you can leverage their capabilities in your applications, the same as it is in the answer D. So then we move to the sixth question for the which of the following is the best way to generate more creative or unexpected content by adjusting the model parameters in Generative AI Studio. And I'm pretty concerned that the answer for that is setting the temperature to a high value. And in the last question, that content is you run a call center that handles customer questions from multiple channels such as email, phone calls, and chat. Then you want to improve customer satisfaction and agent efficiency by using AI to automate routine requests, help agents with complex tasks, and discover insights. Which AI solution on Google Cloud should you choose? So the call center theory, I'm pretty sure I will stick to the option A of the contact center AI that was explained in one of the previous modules. So let's try to submit that quiz and let's see if my intuition was correct. And yeah, we've got the 100%. You can read through all these questions right now, and that's what we will finish on with this video. And that's all for this video. Thank you for selecting this educational content, and if you wish to see more of that, please consider leaving a like and subscription. See you!